Andarki namaskaram. Let us start today's session. Rani garu submitted 200 practice sentences andi. Today I'm going to review those sentences.
నమస్కారం అండి.
నమస్కారం అండి. మీకు స్క్రీన్ మీద కనిపిస్తుందండి రిటర్న్ పేపర్ రాణి గారు పంపించారు. 1 to 6 sentences కనిపిస్తున్నాయండి. కొంతమంది టైప్ చేసి పంపించారు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద మెంబర్స్ typed and sent, but Rani garu wrote and sent. But today I'm going to convert this one automatically into typed format. I'm not going to type. Of course I will type and I will edit few words only, but there is a technology I think most of you already know, but if you don't know, you can learn how to do that one. For example, if you write Telugu script on your paper using Google Drive, we can automatically convert that written text into typed text format. Yeah. So if it is very useful to you, so I'm going to explain now. So to do that one, what you have to do, you need to upload those sheets, the scanned sheet. These are the scanned sheets. Store your files in your device, then upload into your Google Drive. Better you create a separate folder, you upload them. So I also created a folder titled practice sentences. Then I uploaded all the scanned sheets here. Now what you have to do, you have to right click, then choose open with Google Docs, and let us see the magic. So in Google Docs, we can see the scanned image first. Then below that one, you see this one. I did not type this one. It came automatically. తెలుగు భాష నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇష్టపడే పిల్లలు మీకు ఉన్నారా? మీకు దగ్గర రోజు వస్తుందా? మీకు కుక్క మీద నమ్మకం ఉందా? So I did not type this one. I just uploaded this one on Google Drive and right clicked. I will show again. I will show with the second one. Right click and choose Google Docs. Let us see how it works. We can save a lot of time if you have any written papers to convert that one into typed text format. Okay, so above you will see the scanned image as it is. Below that one you will see the typed text. Of course we need to do minor editing. For example, మీకు పనిలో చాలా మంది నమ్మకం ఉందా? Okay, the sentence formation we will do later, but most of the script is correct only. మీకు బస్సు టికెట్ కోసం డబ్బు ఉందా లేదా? ఓకే, మీకు ఉదయం లేదా రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా తలనొప్పి ఉందా? As per the written text it is correct. Okay, there is no problem with the Telugu script and all. పిల్లలకు ఇవ్వడానికి మీకు స్వీట్ ఉన్నాయా? This is typing error only. I think she wrote like that, but we can edit later. మీకు ఆదివారం తరగతులు ఉన్నాయా? So I found this is very interesting. So let us work on this one.
Avunandi, this is a very good tool. Thank you for sharing it with us.
Avunandi, manchidandi, santosham andi. You can also use if you have any written text.
I have many Telugu songs written that I wrote as a child. Okay, I would like to do this.
I just want to make corrections sentence by sentence, so I'm just cropping and keeping only this part. Then later I will edit. After making correction I will delete that part. Okay, so do you have beds at home? మీకు ఇంట్లో పడకలు ఉన్నాయా? ఇక్కడ పడకలు కంటే it is better to use మంచాలు. Okay, do you have beds at home? మీకు ఇంట్లో మంచాలు ఉన్నాయా? మంచాలు ఉన్నాయా? మీకు ఇంట్లో మంచాలు ఉన్నాయా? మీకు ఇంట్లో మంచాలు ఉన్నాయా? This is the translation. correction for the first sentence. Okay, let's see the next one. Do you have change in your pocket? మీ జేబులో, this is జేబులో, జేబు means pocket. మీ జేబులో చిల్లర ఉందా? చిల్లర ఉందా? Yes, it is correct. But only some problem in the conversion of Telugu text. మీ జేబులో. So the spelling of jebu is like this. I'm going to make correction. Jebulo, this is chillara. Actually, she wrote chillara only, but during conversion there was some technical issue, so it became wrongly. So me jebulo chillara unda. That means, do you have change in your pocket? Yes, it is correct. Let me bring the third sentence. Do you have children that will love to learn Telugu? Okay, let us see. తెలుగు భాష నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇష్టపడే పిల్లలు మీరు ఉన్నారా? We need to modify little bit. తెలుగు భాష నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇష్టపడే పిల్లలు మీకు ఉన్నారా? తెలుగు భాష నేర్చుకోవడానికి ఇష్టపడే పిల్లలు మీకు ఉన్నారా? Yes, it is okay. One more thing, Andy. If you see underline below the text, you can just right click and see the correct word. If you are learning Telugu script, okay, for example, you typed the spelling wrongly and you will get the suggestion from Google Docs. Okay, here there is some problem with the spelling. So she typed నేర్చుకోవ దానికి, but the correct spelling is, by right clicking and seeing, you can find నేర్చుకోవడానికి. This is right spelling. Let us bring the next sentence. Do you have cough daily? మీరు దగ్గు ప్రతిరోజు వస్తుందా? Only, actually she wrote correctly only, but during conversion there was some spelling problem. So మీకు దగ్గు ప్రతిరోజు వస్తుందా? Yes, it is correct. మీకు దగ్గు ప్రతిరోజు వస్తుందా? Do you have everything for the prayer? Do you have everything for the prayer? మీ దగ్గర ప్రార్థన కోసం అంతా ఉన్నదా? We can modify a little bit. Let us see. మీ దగ్గర ప్రార్థన కోసం అంతా. Okay, first let me correct the Telugu script, then we will transliterate. So మీ దగ్గర, we can use the word అన్ని ఉన్నాయా? Okay, everything means we can also say pratidi, but instead of pratidi, in this context it is better to use anni. Anni means all when we are talking about things. The same thing when we are talking about people, we use andaru. All means anni or andaru. So here we can use the word anni. మీ దగ్గర ప్రార్థన కోసం అన్నీ ఉన్నాయా? That means, do you have everything for the prayer? Do you have faith in your dog? మీకు కుక్క మీద నమ్మకం ఉందా? Yes, it is correct only. Okay, sorry, let me transliterate this one also. మీ దగ్గర, the previous sentence, మీ దగ్గర ప్రార్థన కోసం అన్నీ ఉన్నాయా? This is the transliteration for the previous sentence. The next sentence is, do you have faith in your dog? Meeku kukka mida. Here again we used your in English sentence, so we can bring the meaning of your also before the word kukka. Kukka means dog. So meeku మీ కుక్క మీద నమ్మకం ఉందా? Yes, it is correct. మీకు మీ కుక్క మీద నమ్మకం ఉందా? Yes, it is correct. Once we have converted the document, you don't need to open as a Google Docs. There will be a separate file in Google Docs format. Do you have many friends at work? Do you have many trustworthy friends at work? Okay, so let us see the translation. Meeku panilo చాలా మంది నమ్మకమైన స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారా? As I mentioned before, when we are talking in Telugu, usually we say the location where we work. For example, if I am working a school, I mention like మీకు మీ స్కూల్లో చాలా మంది నమ్మకమైన స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారా? సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ వర్క్ ఇన్ ఎ బ్యాంక్, మీకు మీ బ్యాంకులో చాలా మంది నమ్మకమైన స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారా? So like that we specify the work location in Telugu conversations. So here let us see, for general purpose we mention as office lo or కార్యాలయంలో. So I will mention here కార్యాలయంలో. మీకు మీ కార్యాలయంలో చాలా మంది నమ్మకమైన స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారని. ట్రస్ట్వర్తీ మీన్స్ నమ్మకమైన. Let us see the Telugu translation. మీకు మీ పనిలో నమ్మకమైన స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారా? There is a mistake here, so I can correct by changing the suggestion. స్నేహితులు ఉన్నారా? Now it is correct. Do you have headaches only in the mornings, or do you have headaches only in the mornings or any time of the day? Okay, మీకు ఉదయం లేదా, let us correct the Telugu script, then we will transliterate. That will be easy for me. So మీకు ఉదయం లేదా రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా తలనొప్పి వస్తుందా? Do you have headaches only in the morning or any time of the day? We need to modify this sentence little bit. We can change మీకు ఉదయం. Okay, తలనొప్పి will bring to the starting area. మీకు తలనొప్పి ఉదయం వస్తుందా? లేకపోతే we add different word instead of లేదా. లేదా it is used in written Telugu. Usually while speaking, if we want to use the word లేదా, instead of లేదా we use లేకపోతే. రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా వస్తుందా? రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా వస్తుందా? ఓకే, మీకు తలనొప్పి ఉదయం వస్తుందా లేకపోతే రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా వస్తుందా? This is the final translation. Let us see the English. మీకు తలనొప్పి ఉదయం we can add one more word, that is the meaning of only. So ఉదయం మాత్రమే వస్తుందా? మాత్రమే వస్తుందా? So here మాత్రమే వస్తుందా? లేకపోతే word used in spoken Telugu instead of లేదా. లేదా is used in written Telugu. That is the meaning of or. లేకపోతే రోజులో ఏ సమయంలోనైనా వస్తుందా? Okay, let us bring the next sentence. Do you have money for the bus ticket? do you have money for the bus ticket? Meeku bus ticket kosam డబ్బు ఉందా? Yes, it is correct అండి. There is no mistake. మీకు బస్సు టికెట్ కోసం డబ్బు ఉందా? In other words, we can also say మీకు బస్సు టికెట్ కోసం డబ్బులు ఉన్నాయా? If we use the plural word instead of dabbu in Telugu it is singular. If we use the plural word dabbulu, we can change the ending to unnaya. Meeku dabbulu unnaya.
Meeku daggara ya me daggara. I have some confusion.
Anandi, you can use either meeku or me daggara. Now I'm going to explain the difference between meeku and me daggara. Depending on the context, we use any one of them. For example, either you need to use meeku or me daggara, only one word. I will give you some examples so you will understand clearly. Meeku car unda. For example, when you want to talk about the vehicles and all, you can use both words. Me daggara or meeku car unda, both are correct. But when we are talking about diseases, okay, let me put this one. Me daggara car unda, both are correct. But when we are talking about diseases, for example, do you have a cough, do you have a fever, in those contexts we can use this is, I will write like an incorrect sentence. Me daggara cough unda, this is an incorrect sentence. Okay, so the correct sentence will be meeku దగ్గు ఉందా or meeku fever unda. Like that we use. So similarly, when we are talking about a different thing, for example, let's see, yeah, usually any object or item, for those things you can use both words, like either meeku or me daggara, both will be correct. If you have any other example sentence also, you can tell me, I will add here to clear the doubt. Okay, when we are talking about relationship, for example, do you have a brother or sister? In those contexts also, we don't use daggara word, even when we are talking about relationships. Okay, so let me write here in the same way. Me daggara tammudu unnada. This is incorrect sentence. So the correct sentence is meeku tammudu unnada. This is correct sentence, as I mentioned before. So this is incorrect, this is correct. Again, this is incorrect, this is correct. So we usually we can categorize like this. So for things, object, properties like that, you can use but the, like, you know, if the property, like, you know, like house, we cannot move those properties. So for those we can say meeku only. For example, houses, homes, heavy items, we cannot use daggara, we use only meeku illu unda. Okay, but small things which we can move easily, for those items we can use daggara also. And similarly, for the relationships and also for the diseases, we use only meeku. Actually, um, do you have means it can be used only meeku, but only sometimes we replace the word meeku with me daggara when we are talking about items, small items. Thank you for joining. We will meet again in the next session.